Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestradingschool.com. Today, 17th November 2016, Nifty analysis. If you remember, in our yesterday's analysis, we have talked about Nifty sideways pattern. This right from this point, these bars are yesterday's bar. If you look at this situation and if you look at current situation, I'll just zoom it so that you can understand. Consider you are not looking at this portion. This bar and this bar is actually almost same. If you look this pattern, it's look like exactly mirror image. So last 2 days actually market remained same. Yesterday market opened with gap, which we have said that market is likely to open with the gap, and then again it will fill this gap and remain sideways. That's what it has happened actually. Market remains sideways. Since we have said it is oversold in hourly chart, chances are there that market will recover, but that recovery will actually nothing but sideways market. Again today market will open with a gap, probably not much gap, but it will open with gap and will again remain sideways. 20 EMA will be tested as a resistance. If you look at daily chart, I'll just quickly zoom it again. It has nothing great achievement, nothing. Again sideways formations are there. We are oversold as per daily chart, flat RSI. So chances are there that market again will remain sideways. 8,294. Actually, this level will act as a resistance. So 8,300 will be a next resistance. Sideways market should create a diversion with RSI. RSI chances are that it may form a diversion. If you look at RSI's current bottom in hourly chart, which is just above previous bottom, RSI's current bottom is above previous bottom, whereas if you look at a current price bottom, which is almost similar time and exact same time, if you look at this, both levels are same. I'll just convert it into your line chart so that you can understand what I am talking about. So if you compare now RSI with price, so price versus RSI, if you look at current price is just exact bottom formation. Both bottoms probably are same. If I'll match it, you can understand that this is what I am talking. Equal bottom is about to form. It has not yet formed. It is about to form. But RSI, if you look at RSI's current bottom is above previous or corresponding bottom. So this is a symptom that diversion has started setting up, and that is only hope at this moment, and probably because of that we may see today 8,200 level in Nifty. Taking a call on Nifty is very difficult at this moment, and that is the reason I would suggest you, I'll request you to again stay away from Nifty trading for some time and wait and watch. Situation is still intact. But this diversion, if it happens today, then probably we may get an opportunity tomorrow or maybe in the next week. If you look at Bank Nifty looks like bearish in daily formation. If I see at this as per our chart, strong bearish bar, yesterday strong bearish bar should take Nifty to 18,992, this level or previous low. Currently chances are there that it top 19,177 to 19,200 will act as a resistance to Bank Nifty, and 18,990 should act as a support to Bank Nifty, as 100 EMA is placed at there. If I convert it into hourly chart, I'll just take a time to actually analyze Bank Nifty, because after a long time we are actually analyzing Bank Nifty. So by the time it loads, yeah, it has downloaded. Now you can look at it. This is strong bearish symptom. Continuous downtrend is there. There is a crossover of 50 and 20. So chances are that because of that market, Bank Nifty may come. So, but bottom line 18,738 can act as a support, and this red line can act as a resistance. So because I have taken this just because past accumulation is there here and past support was tested here, so that is the reason we expect Bank Nifty to remain in this range. and looking into this range, 19,177 to 18,730, in a way 19,200 to 18,700, in this bracket probably Bank Nifty may close for this week. So for that I have designed one quick strategy on Bank Nifty. This is nothing but actually butterfly strategy. What I have done is 18,900 put. You can look at this 18,900 put which we have sold. This is minus, that means we have sold 18,900 put we have sold. Current price is actually 205 rupees 45 paise. 18,900 put sold and 18,800 put bought. So 18,800 put bought, so we paid 169 rupees and we bought we sold this, so we got 205 rupees. So here we are getting a credit. Again, Bank Nifty's call of 19,900 we sold and 19,100 we 19,000 call we sold and 19,100 call we bought. So this is a combination of call and put. Actually, by doing this you can see that the formation of pay up scale comes like this, wherein we have a maximum risk. You can look at this, your profit and loss will be 338 rupees when underlying price is 18,738. 300 रुपए 340 रुपए के आसपास आपका मैक्सिमम रिस्क रहेगा. बैंक निफ्टी कितना भी नीचे आए 340 रुपए की रिस्क रहेगी. बैंक निफ्टी अगर मैक्सिमम लेवल अचीव करता है 18,950 के आसपास, 18,950. सो 18,950 कहाँ पे? 18,900 ये लेवल है 18,950. सो मैं यहाँ पे इस लेवल को प्लॉट करता हूँ 18,950. इस लेवल पे अगर बैंक निफ्टी पहुंचता है, जो यहाँ पे सपोर्ट एक्सपेक्टेड है, ऐसे लेवल पे ये बॉटम जो है उसी लेवल पे है. अगर इस लेवल पे बैंक निफ्टी पहुंचता है तो हमें मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट पोटेंशियल है, और वो प्रॉफिट पोटेंशियल है अराउंड 3,662. अगर इनकेस इससे भी ऊपर जाता है और अगेन इट क्रॉसेस 19,177, जो 19,177 ये रेड लाइन है, इसके ऊपर अगर बंद होता है तो वहां से अगेन हमारा थोड़ा सा नुकसान होगा, और वो भी 338 रुपीज का नुकसान रहेगा. सो मैक्सिमम 338 यानी 330 रुपीज का नुकसान है अगर बैंक निफ्टी 19,170 के ऊपर जाता है, या 18,000 अगर 18,000 इस लेवल को ये क्रॉस करता है 18,738 तो नुकसान में है, और हम मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट में रहेंगे जब बैंक निफ्टी 18,957 पे रहेगा. हमारा नेट प्रीमियम जो हम ये कर रहे हैं 3,662, यही हमारा प्रॉफिट पोटेंशियल है. सो ये जो हम प्रॉफिट ले रहे हैं, ये मेरे ख्याल से क्रेडिट स्ट्रेटेजी की वजह से हम जितना रिसीव कर रहे हैं उतना ही हमारा प्रॉफिट रहेगा. सो 350 रुपए के आसपास का नुकसान और 3,600 रुपए के आसपास के प्रॉफिट की स्ट्रेटेजी को आप इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. सो 350 रुपए हार्डली एनी रिस्क है. सो ऑलमोस्ट मिनिमम रिस्क विथ मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट पोटेंशियल है, ऑलमोस्ट 10 टाइम प्रॉफिट पोटेंशियल इस स्ट्रेटेजी में. खाली इस प्राइस को चेक करिए, लेने के बाद लेते टाइम ये प्राइस इससे आसपास ही रहनी चाहिए. रिस्क अननेसेसरी ना ले. मार्केट इंडिसाइसिव है, टेक्निकली ये लेवल हमें अचीव होने की चांसेस है. सो बैंक निफ्टी की स्ट्रेटेजी इंप्लीमेंट की जा सकती है. सो thank you very much for watching our video, and keep liking, keep subscribing. Thank you very much and wish you best of luck for trading.